Hey viewers, in this video I will tell you about how to change video format of OBS Studio from FLV to MP4. So keep watching this video and keep following all these steps. Comment me if you face any problem. I always available for you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon also. Firstly, open OBS Studio and click on the file. Open settings. Wait for a minute. Here you can see many options are available. Click on the output and then you can see video format. Click on it and change it into MP4. And here is a message arrive, so ignore it and click on apply. Okay. So here your video format changed. Now you can record any video in MP4 format. So I hope you understand everything. Comment me if you have any problem. I will reply you as soon as possible. Follow us on social media platforms, link given in the description and the top comments. Subscribe our second channel also, link given in the description and top comments. Thank you.